When you think AI and think how it's going to destroy the world, you see like a Terminator, you see Arnold Schwarzenegger, you see drones, and you think like, oh, we are going to kill people with AI. What you might miss is that AI already runs today's world right now. We tweet, we like, and we share. But what are the consequences of our growing dependence on social media? Whether AI is good or bad for us can be broken down into if it is a useful tool or not. But it's difficult to call AI a tool because a tool is just there and it waits patiently for you to use it. AI sort of demands your attention. It pushes you to use it. There is always that temptation to pick up your phone and check if there are any notifications. So if AI isn't exactly a tool, what is it? According to Wikipedia, artificial intelligence (AI) is intelligence demonstrated by machines as opposed to the natural intelligence displayed by humans or animals. So the question is, how is this machine intelligence impacting our lives? On social media, this machine intelligence is used to figure out which posts people like the most by how they interact with the post and then show these posts to more people. Sure, it is helpful to only have posts you like in your feed, but the thing is, people consider true news as boring and therefore won't share or interact, and false news as interesting. This then stimulates the algorithm to spread false news. So now we have a problem of spreading misinformation. Another similar issue is clickbait. The algorithm will continue to recommend more clickbait because we are clicking on it, but is it any good to us? There are only two industries that call their customers users: illegal drugs and software. Think about that. AI allowed for the development of addictive software. How long can you stay without touching your phone? What are you doing with it? Is it really necessary? Is it beneficial to you? But on the other hand, is AI that bad? What would our lives today be like if we didn't have AI? A world without personalization seems like a minute issue, but personalized ads and feed arguably makes things so much better for us. A world without productivity apps, without voice assistance, without automation, i.e. the reduction of human labor. When we search for information online, AI helps us get the results that are relevant to us based on our location, what we like and what we previously searched for, and so on. So is AI causing more good than harm or vice versa? Honestly, it's hard to tell.